What's up, family members? Chili Queso here, and today we're going to be doing some Nerf Wars. What do you have to say?
40 Mac and Family, Max and Relaxing style. You already know how we dookie.
I'm ready to the Max and Relax style. You know how we do it too.
And we got some. What color are you for the Mac Family?
Griznine.
What color are you, Rain Drizzle?
What?
Alright, let's go.
Set.
Go! Off!
Got him. Got him.
Mama, can you help me? Actually, no.
Done.
Oh.
Ah! Okay.
Gotta put some bolts in there.
Yeah.
Sing the song, Rain Drizzle.
Aunties.
Holidays.
Holidays with family.
Ooh. Come on.
Shoot you down.
Ah.
Ah! Just do it.
There it is.
Rain Drizzle.
Got him. Got it.
Rain Drizzle. Shoot you down.
I heard what you said, dude.
What did I say?
Ah!
Listen, watch. I'm gonna hit this one right there.
You thought.
Can you?
No.
Oh, that's your mom just
Sad.
chilling and eating the ribs like.
Joven.
I'm jumping. Hold on, I'm just got this. Alright. We're set.
Wait, I'm gonna get. Wait.
Why you like a gangster? Feel like this. They put bolts in it.
Bullseye.
Bullseye.
Alright, let's set this up real quick.
Got him.
Oh, you got him.
Oh.
I suck.
Kind of got him.
How did he not?
I don't know.
How did he not fall down? Braden, how did he not fall down?
I don't know. It's weird.
Alright, well,
Chili, so can you?
Oh.
can I shoot one?
Look at. Sure.
For the right front, can I
That's
shoot
what.
one?
That's what happened.
Sure.
to
Got
me.
him.
Hold on. Record.
Ooh.
Here, give me it.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Ray
do.
Drizzle, give me it.
I'm gonna do half.
Give me the camera. Here, give me the camera.
No, I'm not.
I'm
No, I'm
recording.
gonna shoot it.
I'm
You shoot
recording.
it.
I have
Shoot
to
it.
record.
Shoot it. Shoot it. Look at what happened. Tristan.
Got him.
Give me that!
No, hold on. I'm gonna shoot one.
Give
I'm
me
gonna shoot
it!
Here,
You said I could shoot
I
one.
can't play.
Yeah,
Just
you
shoot
can
one.
shoot
No,
one.
I can't play.
Yeah, here,
shoot
shoot
one.
one then.
There. You can go now.
Close.
What do you have to say, 40 Mac the camera?
He's the best.
That ain't no party like a 40 Mac and Family party. The 40 Mac and Family party don't stop. Check it out. Watch this. Aw. Got him.
You got the white.
Got him. Got him. Oh. Check it out. Tristan, which one do you want me to hit?
I want you to hit the one that's on the ultra power Gatorade bottle.
No, I'm the whites. So he has
I almost got him.
You gotta hit him.
What was that?
No.
God.
Oh, Dad. It's really bruising.
No, go. Just grab like this. Say that's how since you come.
Mommy. Mommy.
Okay, just good. Let's see.
Alright, help.
Here, use mine. Mine's easier.
Oh, it's the same, but that one's harder.
This is hard. Man. Aw.
There.
Here, Tristan, can you load her gun? Just cock it. That's the helmet's getting ahead. Yeah, put bullets in it.
Oh, I might not be able to load it like every single time.
Man.
Oh!
Did you get him?
Yeah, I got that guy.
Wait, I'm not gonna do that every time. Just do this. Look.
Just do it. Just
Do this.
Just-
Okay.
Got him, finally.
I got the format. Sugar, poo, poo, poo.
Aw. For my pizza, who be keeping it
So poo.
so cheesy.
So cheesy.
Hey.
Dad, it hurts. It's literally a mark.
Yeah, you go like this.
Like this?
No, watch. Grab it like this. Other way. Yeah. Here.
Ugh.
Like this. Check this out. Booyah.
My hair.
Yeah. What was that?
Yeah, like this. Hold this.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Like
Look,
this.
look,
Okay.
look, look. I'm literally doing.
I could have caught that.
See, look, I'm already doing it.
Put,
What you
put,
said.
put one hand right there. One thumb right there. No. That thumb. And that, see, that'll.
Ow.
Can I do it for you?
It was like,
Max relaxes style.
We're just living it.
Watch this. Every single one. Every single one.
Got him. Yeah, let me see it. I'll talk it for you. Mhm.
I'm gonna try to get that one down. Right there, that has the soldier inside of it. You see that one right there?
You
Yeah,
couldn't
what
get
about
that.
Who you gonna start getting down?
Come on, I'm gonna try to knock down these first. Alright.
I'm gonna try to get the one off the TV. Oh!
Close.
What? Right above his head. Oh, I got him.
Stop!
Which one do you want me to knock down?
The one that's on the floam. Both you two, try and hit the floam.
Flow one?
Yep.
Oh my.
The one's on the floam. Floam, what it's called.
Slime.
Yeah, slime. Yeah.
Oh, I hit him.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Alright, watch
Yeah,
this.
yeah, you have
Watch
to
this. I'm
aim.
gonna hit it. I mean, he didn't even aim. He
Yeah, you
just
have to like.
did that. Okay. I shot her because she shot me. Shot her because she shot me. Alright, let's go. I mean, she shot me, so I'm gonna shoot her back. I shot her in the stomach.
Yeah, here.
Knock the wind out of her. Alright. What? I hit him. I'm trying to knock down the phone cup thing.
Floam.
What was that?
Yeah, here. Aim. Yeah, who is this? Yeah,
Alright, which one should I do?
Yeah, who is this?
Which one should I do? Which one
Which
should I do?
Can't read.
Which one should I do?
Try and shoot the green one right next to the TV.
The one that's laying down or the one that's crouching?
Nice. Crouching.
Is your TV bulletproof?
Yeah.
Watch it.
Yeah, you guys a cock off. I'm beating all of them right now. All of them have been done.
It's not shooting.
What's that?
I got her arm. I got her arm.
Yeah, do something back.
You thought you could hit me. You thought you could hit me. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna be scaring her from now on. I'm not really gonna be shooting her.
Okay.
I might shoot her like once more. That was 2 in a row. What's stuck on here? Not yet. Shoot him.
said
Shoot him.
for you to knock it off.
Stop. Get away.
I finna wax it up.
Alright,
Yeah.
I'm gonna knock down 2 more.
Yeah, don't throw it.
Alright, I'm gonna shoot down 1 more. 1 more. Alright, subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell for more videos. Bye, Finland.